Hello children, we continue with exercise 6.4. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Here the area of the square is given. We have to find the length of the side of the square. Now a square is given. Now we can take the length of the side of the square as x meters. A square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are of same measure. So the first step, let x be the length of the side of a square. Side of the square. Now how can you find out the area of a square? Area of a square is equal to side into side. Therefore, area of a square is equal to side into side, which is equal to the length of the side is taken as x. So, x meters into x meters. So, which is equal to x into x, x square meter square. So, the area of the square is equal to x square meter square. Now, in the question the area is given. So, area of the square is equal to 441 meters square. Now, we can equate these two. That is, area of the square is x square. So, x square is equal to 441. Now, we want to find out the length of the side of the square. That means, we have to find the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to, x square is given. 441 is a square number. So, this one is the square of which number? So, that means, we have to find out the square root of 441. So, x square is equal to 441. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 441. Now, we can apply the division method in order to find out the square root. Then 441, starting from the right side, you have to pair the digits. Then consider the number under the extreme left bar. Here it is 4. Then find out the largest number whose square is less than or equal to 4. Therefore, we can take it as 2. Then the quotient is also 2. 2 2s are 4. Then after that, bring 41 down. Double the divisor. Double of 2 is 4. Then you have to put a blank on its right. Then find out the digit, so that digit will be the digit in the divisor as well as the next digit in the quotient. So, we know that we have to get it here 41. So, 41 into 1, 0. The 41 minus 41, 0. So, here the remainder is 0. Therefore, square root of 441 is equal to 21. Therefore, length of the side of the square is equal to 21 meters. The length of the side of the square is equal to 21 meters. Now, question number 7. In a right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Then first part of the question. If AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter, find AC. In a right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. So, a right angled triangle is given. Right angled triangle. And angle B equal to 90 degree. That means the right angle is angle B. Therefore, A, B, C, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now, the side opposite to 90 degree we can call it as the hypotenuse, and the other two sides are AB and BC. Now, in a right angled triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So, here angle B is equal to 90 degree, then AB equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 8 centimeter. AB equal to 6 centimeter, we can mark it, then BC 8 centimeter. So, find AC, that means we have to find the length of the hypotenuse. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. AB and BC are the other two sides. Now, the value of AB is given 6 centimeter. So, we can write 6 square, AB square means 6 square, then plus BC, the value of BC is 8. So, BC square means 8 square. So, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, the value of AB is 6, therefore, we can write 6 square plus the value of BC is 8, so 8 square. Now, what is 6 square? 6 square is 36 plus 8 square 64. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Therefore, AC square is equal to 100. So, you have to find the value of AC, that means length of the hypotenuse. AC is equal to square root of 100. Then what is the square root of 100? We can use the division method. We know the answer, but using the division method, how we can find out? Starting from the right side, you have to pair the digits. Consider the number under the extreme left bar, that is 1. So, we can take the largest number as 1. So, 1 into 1, 1. Find the difference, 0. Bring the next pair down, 0. Double the divisor, that is 2. Now, you have to leave a blank on its right. So, which digit we have to consider? We have to get here as 0. So, here it is 0, here also 0. 20 into 0, you will get 0. Therefore, AC equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to 10 centimeter. AC equal to 10 centimeter. Now, one more question. AC equal to 13 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, find AB. So, here also we have the right angled triangle is given. Right angled triangle ABC, right angled at B, A, B, C, right angled at B. So, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then AC equal to 13 centimeter. AC 13 centimeter and BC equal to 5 centimeter. So BC equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to find the length of AB. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to, that is AC square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So the other two sides are AB and BC. So square of AB, AB square plus square of BC, that is BC square. Now we can substitute the values. AC is given 13 centimeter. So we can write 13 square equal to AB we have to find. So write AB as it is, that is AB square plus BC square. BC, the value of BC is 5. So we can write as 5 square. Now what is 13 square? 13 into 13. What is 13 into 13? $169. So 169 is equal to AB square plus 5 square is 25. Therefore we can write AB square, that is AB square plus 25 equal to 169. Then we can move 25 to the other side, that is AB square is equal to 169 minus 25. So which is equal to 144. So AB square is equal to 144. Therefore AB equal to 144 is a square number. So we have to find out the value of AB means square root of 144. Square root of 144. Now we know that what is the square root of 144. Okay, so using the division method, how we can find out? So 1 time 1, 0, then bring 44 down, double of the divisor 1, that is 2, then you have to put a blank there, then how many times? So 2, 22 into 2, 22 into 2 you will get a 44. So 2, 22 into 2, 44, 0. Therefore, square root of 144 equal to 12. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to, length of this side AB is equal to 12 centimeter. That's all for today's class. Thank you.